Well, whenever Barbara puts the pressure on me to get some pressure washing done, you can be assured that I'm going to call my good buddy Steve Archer with Victory Pressure Washer, because he gets the job done.
Oh God, I can see it from here. I was gonna throw it away.
No need to throw it away when it can be.
Oh my goodness. It is totally restored. Oh my word.
Hey, I'm Steve. I'm the owner of Victory Pressure Wash. I pressure washed Vince Dooley's house, former coach of the Georgia Bulldogs, 1964 to 1989. So let me pressure wash your house.
All right, whenever Barbara puts the pressure on me to get some pressure washing done, I turn to Steve, because Steve knows how to do it. And Steve Archer is the best I've ever known
Thanks,
pressure
guys.
washing.
Appreciate it.